What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes, going on a different service call than you normally see here on the Pipe Doctor Home Services YouTube channel for the great state of New York. We're going on a plumbing service call for a new residential client that's got a leaking toilet. Yep, their water closet is a leaker. The guy doesn't know where it's coming from. His wife is giving him hell. He goes, Mikey Pipes, help me out. I got agita over this. I got you, bro. I got you. Let's go see what's going on. We're heading to North Woodmere, South Valley Stream, 11581 zip code.
Hi.
How are you, sir?
How are you?
You're expecting me, yes?
Oh, you're the pipe guy.
I am the pipe. Here's my card. I'm Mike.
I'm Al. Nice to meet
Hi,
you,
Al.
friend. Come on in.
How you doing, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all right. So your wife drives you crazy, too?
Oh, I spoke to you on the phone?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you. Oh, you're the big man you're here. I thought you were sending somebody.
No, man. You got me.
Oh. Bro, I don't even know what the deal is with this. Yeah, it's my wife. It's my wife. So she put some, it's coming from under here. She put some something over there. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it looks like the valve's leaking. Yep. Just started leaking out of the blue, like out of nowhere?
Yeah.
Or someone was messing with it?
Nah, nobody was messing with it. It's just she and myself here, and nobody was messing with it.
Yeah, a good steady drip there. Let's see if we close it. No, it's closed. Wow, what happened here?
Well, what's
It
going
doesn't
on?
even. It can't even turn this valve.
I'm not very handy, man. I'm a computer guy, man.
You still got
I house. I bought the house. That was it.
You bought the house. You pay the bills.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
You make the paper. All right. You don't know what your main water valve is? Seriously?
Well, we have a crawl space downstairs.
You don't got a basement?
No, it's a crawl space.
So God forbid a pipe burst. What would you do?
Call somebody.
Call fire department?
Call somebody.
Call somebody? Who would you call? Call a friend?
I got the lawn guys. They come here.
Oh, where's the
I
lawn?
got the pool
Okay,
guy.
where's
comes
the, you got a pool back there?
in. Yeah, it's closed, you know.
Oh, yeah, I closed mine last week.
Thing is expensive.
Where did, yeah. Joys of home
I don't
ownership.
even swim. She swims in it. Everything's for my wife.
You know, put the cover over her head, you know. Where does the sprinkler guy, what does he do what he's got to do? You keep going under this kitchen cabinet.
He does something under here. Oh, he does something under here.
Does he really?
And he does something over here.
No, he don't do nothing over here. Okay. Where else?
He does something right here. I feel so embarrassed. I don't know.
That's the timer. But where's the main, you don't know where the main water valve is? What's the boiler room? Let me see, hold on.
That's the problem.
Yeah, maybe it's in there, let's see.
It might be downstairs.
You got a basement?
No, it's
No, it's right here.
Oh, that's it? Like I said, it's right there.
Alright, let me pull it out. Alright. Before I leave, I'm going to put a tag on this so you know what it is. And everyone in this house knows. This valve right here,
Yeah.
right? If it's, see how this one's parallel to the pipe it's attached to?
Yeah.
That means it's on.
Okay.
If it's perpendicular like that, that means it's off. You see this?
Yeah.
That's an old, decrepit water filter. It's off, too, by the way. At one point, how long you lived here for?
7 years.
Have you ever changed the water filter?
Uh-uh.
That's nasty.
Is it?
Look at it.
I don't know what I'm looking at. You can change it? How much would that be?
You have to get the replacement filters.
So we were about to do it. Something happened, though. Somebody talked to us about that. And for some reason, we didn't pull the trigger on it. It wasn't money. It was something else.
Really?
Anyway, you're telling me it needs to be changed.
Well, right now it's in the off position. I didn't touch this.
Okay.
Right? But the other valve is on. But that's a water filter. And I know how nasty the water is here.
We don't drink the water.
You still cook with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. You bathe in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's focus on the water. So before I came to the truck and went to my drawer of valves, I took a closer look at that valve that's inside the house. He's got an IPS piece of a half inch. I don't think it's 3/8. Piece of half inch chrome plated IPS. But guess what? Guess what this is? This is a brass craft quarter turn angle stop. Half inch female pipe thread by 3/8 compression. Sweet. And before you guys bitch and complain that Mikey Pipes, how can you charge $115 for an angle stop? What do you think it costs to keep almost $100,000 worth of material in a truck? What do you think it costs? Nothing? What are you're paying $12, $15 for this? You're gonna sell it for $20? What are you, stupid or something? Stop leaving money on the table. Damn. It's on the truck, bro. It costs money. Want me to say yes?
Only if it's the truth.
I should have it. This should be the one you need.
Oh, okay.
It should be.
What do you think the issue is? How did that
It broke.
Just out of the blue?
Things break. Yeah, it happens. Which it is that half inch? Yeah, I think that's half inch. Yeah. Now hopefully this thing comes out. I'm fighting water here. It's a good thing I'm above a crawl space. Okay. Not too shabby. Tighten that up with a crescent wrench. All right. I put it off on an angle. You guys are probably gonna rip me a new one anyway, but at least I can replace the Speedy from the valve to the toilet. And I'll clean up my blue monster once I patch up the wall and put base molding and tile on the wall and, make this look more like a, cool bathroom. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in to today's video. Remember, if you live in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area and you're tired of getting bamboozled by your plumbing or HVAC contractor, give me a call, 516-295-2448, or save time, book online at pipedoc.net. Thanks again, guys. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. That's the best way for you to support this channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Catch you in the next one.